Hey, what's up guys? This is Jeff from Teknoholic, and I got here a new package from yesterday. So we'll see from inside what it is, and we'll unbox this device and we'll know this is a smartphone. So let's get right down into it. Now this package is from noon.com, where I buy my online purchases from last month. I think they have a pretty good deal now in Ramadan here in UAE. So let's open this plastic first. This is a thank you card from them, Ramadan Kareem, and this is the device. It's the Galaxy A50 from Samsung. This is the blue color, as you can see from the box, and this is the 128 version. 25 megapixel camera on the front and the back also, with 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel combination. Okay, this is octa-core. I think this is the Exynos 9610 with Mali 76 or 72 GPU and 4G LTE HD Plus Super AMOLED, Full HD Plus Super AMOLED. Let's get into the device real quick. Let's open the box right here. So there's the device, there's the box right here, case, starting guide, which I know we will not read. Oops, sorry about that. This is the charging cable, USB-A to USB Type-C, and this is the fast charger, adaptive fast charging. SIM ejector pin. This is the headphone jack, and this is the device. Should peel this off right now. Nice looking device, nice color. This is the blue version. I will compare it to my other device right here, and this is the A70, same also from Samsung. This is a bit bigger. This is 6.4 inch Full HD AMOLED display, Super AMOLED display. It has a 1080 by 2340 pixels, and then 403 pixels per inch. Okay, and the comparison to the A70, which is a 6.7 full HD device. So let's open the device right now. Galaxy A50. USB-C mono speaker, USB a 3.5mm jack, microphone here, SIM card here, power buttons, and the volume up and down. Triple camera setup, same as the A70 right here. Flash. Same build quality also as the A70, I think. This is front glass, and this is the plastic back, which if you hold in your hand, you cannot see the difference between glass and this one, but in reality this is a scratch prone back. Alright, here's the device. As you can see out of the box, this snappy. Now we'll test this device in the future, and now there's an update for this March 2019 patch. Maybe it will go on until May. Fingerprint recognition has been improved. Okay, yeah. We'll try to upgrade or update this one right now, and then let's get back to you. So these are the two Galaxy devices that I have right now. This is the A70, this is the A50. Comparison of these two, they're both full HD plus Super AMOLED display. This one has 6.7 inch, the A70, and A50 has 6.4 inch. They're both having 1080. Oh no, one is 1080p by 2400 pixels, one is 1080p with 2340 pixels per inch. Both of them have Gorilla Glass and a plastic back. Both of them have Android 9 with One UI Skin pre-installed out of the box. A70 has Snapdragon 675 chipset, while the A50 has the Exynos 9610 chipset from Samsung. And both of them have 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is expandable by a micro SD card. A70 has the 32 megapixel front and back camera modules, while the A50 has the 25 megapixel main shooter and a 25 megapixel selfie camera also. They have both mono firing speakers, they have USB Type-Cs, and they have a headphone jack, which is some flagships don't have right now. Okay, they both have Bluetooth 5.0. They both have fingerprint scanner on the screen, and also this device has a 4500 milliamp hour battery, while the A50 has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. So I think that's the comparison of these two devices. Speaking of the speakers, I will just show to you how loud the speaker of the A50 first. Max volume. And the A70. Volume is comparable with both devices, but the A70 is just a little bit better in sound producing. I don't know, I'm not the expert on this. So we're here now to add fingerprints on the device so that you can see how the fingerprint works on this in-screen fingerprint scanner on a mid-range device. Just set up the pin. Okay, so here's how to set it up. Okay, it's not as fast as the capacitive buttons, as you can see. Just to keep your hands still there. Sorry, it will take some time. I'm doing this in real time, and you will experience the same thing but in your personal usage on how this fingerprint scanner is scanning your hand of your fingers. Okay, so it will stop at 80 and then it will say that you have a full scan, but you know, the same spot will do just fine. Alright, so it's done. So let's see the fingerprint scanner on this. Okay, it will show you the pattern right here in the center, and just tap it. It's quite fast actually. Okay, again, just tap. No need to press or squeeze the fingerprint scanner on these devices. This is an optical scanner, not as secure as the ultrasonic, but it works fine. Also, this has a face scan if you want to scan your devices with your face. It's fine. And this is the comparison on the A70 here also, and same, about the same time to scan your fingers on these devices. So I'll be putting one of my SIM cards here, rather two SIM cards. One is from the UAE and one is from the roaming from the Philippines. So we'll just test this device for some time, because this will travel to the Philippines, going to someone else. Okay guys, we'll test also the camera, of course. Speaking of camera, okay, wait for a while. Speaking of camera, we'll just snap one thing here and the view from outside. Alright, so this is the shot that I have. This is the normal angle, which is the 70, I think 70 degree angle, and this is the wide angle, which is taken at the same place. So quite detailed also. I'll test this one in the daylight because the lights in my room is not sufficient. And did you see that the SIM card that I have, there are two SIM cards and one micro SD card slot. And that's one thing I like about this A series, is they have those options. And also, I think I said that this device has 6 GB of RAM. No, it is only the 4 GB RAM version with the 128 GB ROM. Okay guys, so this is just the first impression and unboxing of this Galaxy A50. I'll get back to you guys on this device, and subscribe on this channel if you want anything to be tested on this. Comment on the comment section right down below. And this has been Jap, and see you guys next time, and be a Teknoholic, guys.